Hey growers, it's Steven from Grobo with a quick update on a couple new items that are in our store. The first item I want to talk about is a digital thermometer. This is going to go right into your reservoir to let you monitor how hot or cold your reservoir water is. Great tool to help you keep those temps down and fight that root rot. The next thing we've added is a digital scale. This comes in either grams or ounces, so you're nice and accurate when you do your harvest and you're bragging to your friends. The third thing we've got to add to our store that we wanted to tell you about is this cute little toolkit. Completely magnetic on the back, it'll stick right to the side of a Grobo, and you can keep scissors or microscopes or whatever you like in it. All your tools are close at hand. So 3 new products, all available on our store now. Come get them at grobo.io.